Hi all, let's see tuple in C Sharp. A tuple is a data structure that contains a sequence of elements of similar or different data types. That is, a tuple allow you to combine multiple values of similar or different types into a single object without having to create a custom class. We can create a tuple by its constructor or a create method. By using tuple class constructor, create an object for tuple class and inside the parenthesis provide the values which you want and inside the angle bracket specify the type of each element. By using create method from tuple class, we can directly pass the values to tuples without specifying the type of each element. You can add maximum 8 elements to your tuple. If you try to add more than 8 elements, it will show an error message. If you want to add more than 8 elements, you can do that by nesting another tuple object as 8th element. Before seeing nesting a tuple, let's see how to create and access a tuple value first. Here created a sample console application. Let's create a tuple using tuple class. Tuple is a class under system namespace. Inside the parenthesis, you can provide values up to 8. Let's provide student details, roll number, then student name, percentage, then provide some double values. Inside the angle bracket, provide the type for each element. First value type is integer, so 8. Second value type is string. Third is also string. Fourth is double. Let's access without a right time. Object dot. We can use item property to access the tuple values. Item 1 for first item, item 2 for second item, item 3 for third, item 4 for fourth item. Let's see. Here we accessed 4 items. We can also create a tuple using create method from tuple class like this, where object is equal to class name tuple dot create method, which is a static method. Inside the parenthesis provide the elements. Here I provided all values as integer type. You can also provide different types of value. Let's see how to access this. We can access first 7 elements using item property like this, but the last element, that is 8th element, we can access using rest property. Object dot rest means it will return the last element, that is 8th element. We cannot access last element using item property. Generally, the 8th position is for nested tuple. You can add more than 8 elements using nested tuple like this. So in 8th position, we added a nested tuple. So this rest property will return the nested tuple object, and this object doesn't have any nested tuple inside. So this is the first item for rest property. To access the first item, rest dot item 1 dot item 1, it will return the value 8, same as for second item, third item up to 7. Let's see here the result. So by using tuple, you can pass multiple values to a method through single parameter. You can return multiple values from a method without using out parameter. For example, in this get student detail method, we are returning tuple object and accessing that in this detail object and printing that. And a tuple allows you to combine multiple values of different types into a single object without having to create a custom class. The limitations of the tuples are classes, that is reference type. So the memory of the tuple are allocated on the heap and the garbage collector is used to free the memory. The tuple can only include 8 elements. We have to use nested tuple if we want to store more than 8 elements. The tuple elements can be accessed using properties with the name pattern like item 1, item 2, item 3, etc. This is unreadable. C# 7.0 version introduced value tuple to overcome this, and it will make easier to work with tuple. We will see value tuple in our next video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.